welcome back into the booty bonus round. Remember to do what you can do. It will be a burn, but we're gonna push through it, okay? We got this. Starting with a post back on my count. 6, 7, 8, and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2. We got it. 5, 6. Hold it up, bring it in. Curve at the top. And up. Good job, mama. And in. And up. Give me one more of those. In. And up. Good job. Shake it out. Shake it out. All right. We got that other leg. Are you ready? Let's get it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold it up and curve. 3, 4. Push up. Push up as far as you can and in. 3, 4, and up. Up as far as you can. Last one. Good job, mama. And up. Shake it out. Yeah. We got 10 fire hydrants on both legs. On my count. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2. Real slow. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's get it. 7, 8, 9, 10. Nobody. Let's get it. 10 more and then we done. We made it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Core tight. 7, 8, 9, 10. The blessing is what? It's already mine. Go crazy. Thank you, sister, for joining us. We will see you in the next video. If you are on YouTube or in the app, make sure that you continue on to the stretch, okay? We will see you soon.